PlasmaTEC-X is Tantec's version of an atmospheric plasma treatment unit. PlasmaTEC-X can be used in various industries for cleaning, gluing, printing, or surface modification of different polymers and metals. It can be used in the medical, automotive, cable and pipe, cards, foam and board, electronical, and films industry. The PlasmaTEC-X is the smallest and most compact device on the market. It can be easily installed on existing manufacturing lines. The PlasmaTEC-X is very affordable and gives you a quick return on investment. There are huge environmental benefits compared to gas treatment, flame treatment, and chemical treatment. You reduce your operational costs compared to traditional treatment methods. If you have adhesion challenges concerning cleaning, gluing, printing, or surface modification, then the PlasmaTEC-X is the solution.